like to welcome you all to our annual conference.
Howard University. It's like a privilege just to be at a Black college and just like see students that look just like me who also have like goals of being like the president, of being on the Supreme Court, of being doctors.
And as I look around and see you, I see activism in you. I see a revolutionary spirit. Because all it takes for activism and a revolutionary spirit is love for your people and a demand for justice.
It is our duty to fight for our freedom!
It is our duty to fight for our freedom!
It is our duty to win!
It is our duty to win!
We must love and protect one another!
We must love and protect one another!
We have nothing to lose but our chains!
We have nothing to lose but our chains!
It is our duty to fight for our freedom!
It is our duty to fight for our freedom!
It is our duty to win!
It is our duty to win!
Not only have the opportunity to witness what it means to continue the centuries-old struggle for Black liberation, but you've also witnessed people of all racial and ethnic backgrounds embrace our struggle.